Hey there, fellow productivity enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tasks into simple, straightforward steps. Today's video is all about how to delete your Trello account in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new project management tool, cleaning up your digital life, or just taking a break from Trello, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and safely. Trello is a fantastic app for organizing tasks, but sometimes you need to say goodbye. And that's totally okay. First off, before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Trello account on a web browser, as this process is easiest from there. If you're on mobile, you might need to switch to the desktop site for full access. Now, let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Head over to the Trello website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, click on your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 2. From the drop-down, select Settings to go to your account settings page. Here, you'll see various options for managing your profile. Step 3. Scroll down or navigate to the Account section, where you should find an option that says something like Delete Account or Close Account. Trello might have updated their interface by 2025, but it's usually under Privacy or Account Management. Step 4. Click on that Delete option, and Trello will likely prompt you with a confirmation message. It might ask why you're leaving or warn you that this action is permanent, so double-check that you really want to proceed. Make sure you've exported any important boards or data first, as deleting your account will erase everything. Step 5. Enter your password or any required verification, then confirm the deletion. Trello may send a final email confirmation to your registered address, so keep an eye on your inbox. And just like that, you're all set. Your Trello account should be deleted, freeing up your online space. If you change your mind, Trello sometimes allows a grace period to recover your account, but act fast if that's the case. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay organized, and we'll see you in the next video.